Okay, well, the M&A?
Okay, well, there's only really one story today, and it's quite an amazing one. Teva Pharmaceuticals, that's TEVA in the US, are going to buy Allergen, AGN US, the Allergen generic drug unit, for around $40.5 billion, following Teva's ongoing and unsuccessful bid for Mylan, ticker MYL. In fact, that's now lined through. They're no longer interested in Mylan. Why is this interesting? Well, Allergen was only formed in itself in November 2014 when it went through the merger of Actavis and Allergen Inc. And that was itself came about after a bitter battle with another US
dog eat dog in this sector.
Oh, yeah, bitter battle there with Valiant Farmers as well. So in terms of what that's meant for share prices, Teva are up 11.7%. This is seen as very good news for them. Mylan, who were obviously Teva's former bid candidate, they're down 11.6%. And Allergen, who perhaps get the best of both worlds, selling off their generic business to focus on their proprietary drug pipeline, they're up 8.6%. Teva is based in Israel. It's listed in Israel and in the US. It's the world's largest generic drug maker, and the deal here with Allergen would cement and enhance its position. The stock was suspended in Tel Aviv earlier today, but I think it will return to trading this afternoon. The generic unit of Allergen accounts for still, I suppose, what it's with them, around a third of Allergen revenues in 2014, sales of about $8.4 billion.
Teva is going to kill hurt the big boys, the drug makers that actually make new drugs or develop new drugs. And that's another sort of a nail in the coffin sort of thing.
Well, yeah, it is. I mean, people can see the cost, questioning whether the cost of developing a new drug and the lifetime you get on patent before the likes of Teva can jump in.
Not worth it.
Well, that's what many are saying. Interesting to note, though, that we've had $180 billion before this deal's even included, $180 billion of pharma M&A in 2015. And in terms of performance of the overall sector, for these traditional pharmaceutical stocks, the sector's up in the US at least by around 50% since January 2013. So we won't have seen the last of deals in this sector, and this would have put the cat right amongst the pigeons in the